If you don't know how to sew your hair in, or even if you don't know how to cornrow, the Jamaican coming out, put some cornrows in your hair, then you can just put your hair back in a ponytail. Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. If this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload. I'll see you at the end of the video. Good morning guys, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video we're going to be doing something very quick and very easy. So if you don't have time to get your hair weaved, or if you don't want to sleep in like a wig, right, I have a solution for you. So I'm going to be trying out this quick weave. This is actually a half wig. The name of the wig, let me show you guys a card. All right, it's quick weave. Style your hair in 60 seconds. That's what it's saying. It's a half wig. Her name is Neesha, age 305. Right? So this is an 18-inch. Hope you guys saw that. This is the wig. It's by the brand Outre. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, all you need is, my hair is just literally, I have some cornrows going all the way back, right? And all I did was just tuck the ends in. Matter of fact, right, let me show you the back. It's just some braids going back. They don't even have to be neat, right? Alright, so what I'm going to do is just I have a hairpin right here, and I'm just going to cross the braids and just to pin the ends in. You can even put on a stocking cap if you want to. Just tuck your braids in, that's all. Okay, so this is in number one, and I got mine from Amazon, and it was only $23, guys. So I'm gonna be trying it on with you guys for the first time. I remember I used to wear half wigs back in the day, but probably didn't really know how to style it as well as I see the girls are doing it now, right? So let me try to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see how I'm doing the top. All right, I want you guys to be able to see the top, so gonna put my head down a little bit. Now with this wig, it comes with, let's see how many combs. Two combs in the front. I'm gonna show them to you. All right. So this is how it looks on the inside. We have a comb here, and a comb in the nape area, right? So all I'm going to do now is just flip it over, and all right, so I'm just gonna line it up. I'm going to stick a comb here, right? And stick a comb here, all right? And then I'm gonna turn around and just pull it down in the back. And then this comb, let me lift up the hair. This comb is going to go underneath. Now there are some elastics in there, so you can adjust it. So now as you can see that my hair is left out, and I left out a little bit. My hair is left out, so all I'm going to do now is, just make sure that this part right here, put my head down. Right, this part right here is covered. So I'm just going to take a little piece of my hair and just put over this, right? Like this. Make sure that we can't see that little track, right? So that's how it looks so far. And then I'm just gonna kind of push my hair in between. Now tell me this is not the quickest thing you've ever seen. I'm just trying to fix my hair. Normally I would put some edge control on, but I'm really trying to not wear the edge control because I know it's breaking my hair. So we're not gonna do any edge control. We're just gonna wear our natural edges. They don't have to be slick. See, as you guys can see, I cover up the part, right, with my hair, right? And all we're gonna do now is just like fluff it up. Hold on. Oh. Now that's quick. You guys see that? Put a little bit of oil sheen just on my hair right here. This is just an oil sheen can that I have. And this is from Shea Butter. It's not from Shea Butter, it's Shea Butter. I don't even know the brand. But anywho guys, that is all you have to do. Just make sure that your hair is covering the tracks, and then you just kind of play with it, and you know, I think she's cute. This is how it goes. Let me show you. Wow. Was that quick or what? And then you can just kind of, you know, play with it in the front, and like, you know, make this fall in your face a little bit more. I love it. You can leave out less of your hair if you want to, but I just left out this much. And I don't know how it looks in the back, but it's very big. It's giving. See? I think she's very pretty. Look at that. The curls are nice, and the texture blends in with my hair perfectly. You can bring some in your face if you want to. Was that easy? Easy, right? Yes, honey. She is cute. I bought 2 of them, but I'll show you the other one another time. So I'm going to be leaving the link. Still playing with it, guys. I mean, the curls are nice. This looks like it's my hair, right? See how it blends in with my hair really, really well? Ooh, I feel so cute. Alright guys, so if you don't know how to sew your hair in, or even if you don't know how to cornrow, the Jamaican coming out, put some cornrows in your hair, then you can just put your hair back in a ponytail and just put it on that way. But that's how she's looking. And yes, you can't talk to me, okay? This is my hair. And that's my hair, and I love it. I hope you guys enjoy too. I'll be sure to leave the link down below for this little girl here. She's cute. Her name is Neesha. 18 inches, number 1. All right guys, and that's my quick little video for today, and I hope that you enjoy watching. My hair went from you know, short to long in like 2 minutes. Just like that guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little try on tutorial. I am loving this wig. I hope you guys love it as well. I'll be sure to leave the links down below. I did get it from Amazon, and it's only $23. If you like this video and you're enjoying my content, please remember guys, once you watch the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with someone that you think would enjoy this look. Alright, subscribe to the channel, and I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, the nails.